Hi folks, Russ with Pro Steam, and today we're cleaning another patio, and it's a blocked paved patio, as you can see, and it hasn't been cleaned for a while. It's not huge, it's probably about 40 or 50 square metres. It kind of ends there. So I figured I'd take a little bit of footage as it looks now, and then we'll come back to it when it's done, or when a portion of it's done, so we can see some kind of some difference between the two areas. Lots of weeds, lots of moss between the joints, and the brickwork is dirty. You've got lichens all over, so there's a bit of work to do. A little step down to that area there, but I reckon it's just going to look really nice when it's done. Anyway, let's clean a portion of it and come back to it and see how it looks in. This job has now come to an end eventually. We had to wait a few days for the weather to perk up, and today it's a beautiful sunny day, very warm, ideal conditions for resanding block paving, and so the sand has gone in, and we're almost done. Put the tables and chairs back, and all the plant pots exactly where they were before we started. I'm sure the customer is going to be very happy with that, and the whole area just looks so different. There's some colour now, whereas before, if you think back to how it looked before, it just looked awful, really. It just didn't look very appealing at all. Now you can get the barbecue out and you can really enjoy your garden, because the garden's beautiful, really lovely, very well kept. The only thing that needed a little bit of TLC was the patio, and that's all looking really nice now. Anyway, if you have a similar patio and you really need it deep cleaned and treated and then resanded, why not give us an email or visit the website. The email address is info@prosteamuk.com. You can contact me directly on my mobile 07765 606040. Thanks for watching.